So here we already have the data we wanted in this data model. We have all the financial information and the trading information. Okay, to make our model more like comprehensive and well connected, I mean between the different data sets or different queries. Okay, I want to introduce some additional columns here. So here we can see in this historical daily query or this table, we have the data information, we have the price information, volume information, but we don't really have the stock symbol there. Okay, although we specify the stock symbol here using this parameter, and it's going to be automatically reflected in this query. However, in this query, we don't have an explicit column that shows the stock symbol. So that's why I want to introduce that column as well. So to do that, go to the Home tab. Here, remember, we're at the query editor window. Okay, there's two windows. One is this Power BI desktop window where we do this visualization stuff. Okay, and the other is this query editor window, and we implement those query steps to pull data from the internet or from other sources. Okay, so under this query editor window, go to the Add Column tab. Okay, again here I'm trying to change this historical data query, so I already select this query. All right, so go to Add Column and go to Custom column, and you can define new column name. So I'm going to call it symbol. Okay, and the content of this is going to be this parameter called stock symbol. Okay, so once I start typing, it's already Power BI provides the potential choices here. I'm going to choose this one directly. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. The stock symbol is basically the parameter we already defined here. Okay, so currently taking the value AAL, that's American Airline. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. Yes, indeed, this column is going to be added at the very end, and it shows the stock symbol being the American Airline. Okay, so actually I want to move this column all the way to the beginning instead of at the end. So I'm going to go to Transform and move to beginning. Yeah, this is going to move this column to the very beginning. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the financial statements as well. Okay, go to the quarterly income statement, and again add a column, custom column, call it symbol, and define as the parameter stock symbol. All right, click OK. Well, it's added at the very end. Again, I'm going to move it. Go to Transform, move to beginning. So it's going to be located here. Balance sheet, we do the same. Go to Add Column, Custom Column, symbol equals stock symbol, which is the parameter. Okay, and again click OK. And again, you want to move this thing to the beginning. All right, cash flow statement, still do the same thing. Go to Add Column, Custom Column. For this new column, I'm going to again call it symbol, and the content is going to be the parameter stock symbol. Okay, and this column's added. I want to, instead of putting it at the end, I want to move it all the way to the beginning. So now it's at the beginning of the table. Insider trading. Yes, we still need this additional column, which is the symbol. So I'm going to call it symbol, and the content is going to be the stock symbol parameter. And click OK. Well, it's here, and I want to again move it to the very beginning. So it's shown here clearly. And lastly, the general. Well, in the general information, the symbol is already here, so I don't need to add an additional column. All right. So here we have everything I need. I basically add an additional column called the stock symbol so I can have explicit information regarding what stock I'm looking at for each query. So since we have all the data pulled here, we can just, yeah, if you want to quit your session and you want to save your progress, you just go to close and apply, and the data is going to be pulled and set up in this Power BI desktop app window here. Okay. So then you can just go to file and save as and save this file in a preferred location.